Hello, I'm going to show you some features in our new EBSCO EDS interface, specifically looking at our advanced search page. So pirate search on our homepage doesn't look much different at all. However, on the results page from a basic search and on our advanced search page, you can see that we have a new interface, even though all the functionality that we previously had is still there, and we actually have some new features that I will point out. We're going to start with a basic search. Here you can see I'm going to enter environmental justice in my top search bar. Here we have all the same functionality as previously. You can see you can do a subject search there. You could search by journal title. You can look specifically in abstracts, all the same as before. You can also change your Boolean operators. And here you'll notice the same filters that we previously had. So we can limit to full text and scholarly peer reviewed. We can limit to only physical items in the catalog. We can limit to just a specific journal publication. We have published date limiters, all of the limiters that we had before. And here's where our search options are hiding now. So before, when you went into advanced search, everything was on one screen. You just had to scroll down. Instead, here we now have tabs. So under search options, if you're doing a Boolean search, you can select proximity. Boolean phrase has been phased out by EBSCO, but if you include Boolean operators, so if I did this in your search, or if I did this, the search would recognize the Boolean operators when I'm in proximity mode, and I would still be able to use a Boolean search. We have the same expanders here, so we can apply related words, which basically means we're looking for synonyms. We can search within the full text of the article, similar to how Google searches. If we're searching using a subject term, we can apply equivalent subjects as well. So the same items are there. They are now just in very different locations. Here you can see publication lists. You can also search for publications. You can also use this publication search under research tools in the advanced search. That will take you here, and you can just start typing in whatever you're looking for, Journal of Business Ethics, and it will show you where we have, just like Publication Finder does from our homepage. The same, just looks a little bit different. I'm going to take us back now and show you a few of the features that are brand new. So here you'll see we have options to return to the basic search, which is just one screen, really easy. But we also have this PICO search. So if you're someone who's in nursing or the health sciences, you might have at one point have been asked to create a PICO question, looking at population, intervention, comparison, outcome, and time. And now you can, just like in Cochrane or some of the other really specific nursing databases or health science databases, you can now do a PICO search in Pirate Search, looking at all of our resources at once, which is really convenient. So you would enter the parts of your PICO question that correspond with each area, and then you would click Add to Search, and they would load them into the search bar on our advanced search page, and then you would be able to change the limiters and expanders just like before. So those are some of the features of our advanced search. We now have a different look, but all the same functionality plus some new options. Good luck.